Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can bypass the requirement of phone number on our Battlenet account. And also it is not possible to play Overwatch without having a Battlenet account. So rather we will solve this problem of having an phone number with us. So we will be using an application to bypass this, and the application's name is Talkathon. All you have to do is just download it, and it is available for both Android as well as iOS. All you have to do is just download it, install it, create an account on it, and verify that account using your email address. And after that you will be able to get a phone number from this app, and all you have to do is just copy that phone number and then go to Overwatch website, then click on account, then go to account settings, and in the account settings you will be able to see the option of security, and under security the verification of your phone number is done. So just paste that phone number there and wait for the code to receive. And Talkathon might be asking you to purchase the premium, which is worth $1. So you can easily bypass this step just by spending $1, and you will be getting 60 credits for $1. Just purchase the premium and you will be able to see the code received on that particular number. Just copy that code and paste it on the Battlenet website, and then you will be able to verify. And that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.